In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Stripe account and use test mode. First, open your browser and go to Stripe's official website. Once you're there, go ahead and tap on Get Started to begin creating your account. Now, you'll see a form where you need to enter your basic details, like your email address, full name, password, and country. Make sure you use a strong password so your account stays secure. After filling in the details, click on Create Account. From here, complete your profile by adding any extra information Stripe asks for. Try to enter everything correctly, because missing or incorrect details can affect your account setup. Now your Stripe account is ready. To use test mode, go to your Stripe dashboard and look for the test mode option or toggle. Turn it on, and Stripe will switch your account into test mode. In test mode, you can use Stripe's test card numbers to try sample payments without using real money. This is helpful if you want to test your checkout, payment links, or website payments safely before going live. At any point, you can switch back to your live account by clicking this button. And that's it. That's how you can set up a Stripe account and use test mode. Thanks for watching.